Welcome back to another video. So this will be Rodin, attempt at recreating the Mecanum wheel. So initially I'm going to start over here with Fusion. You're going to see that I extracted the front view, and this will be the front view. As you can see, this is set to be orthographic. So I can go over here within Fusion, I can change this to orthographic. You're going to see that the Mecanum wheel will be as following. This will be the front, this will be the back, and also the left and right view. Now I added those within Rodin. So over here we see all of those views. So we see the right view, left view, front, and the back. And the output will be as following. So as you can see, Rodin will have problem with this kind of complex radial pattern for the Mecanum wheel, so it doesn't really manage to replicate this pretty well. I have over here also a single perspective image, and in this case we're gonna see that this will be a little bit better than when using multi-references, but this is not that great as well. So if you compare this to a pure mechanical part, you're gonna see that if I'm gonna change this, let's say that this will be asymmetric with a strength of 2, I'm gonna hit modify. Now the part is symmetrical, but as you can see, this will be symmetrical around the following radial pattern. So this is why the Mecanum wheel is a difficult task for 3D generative AI, and we see that most of the tools will not manage to output this radial pattern quite well. Now I have this now reprocessed, and this was set to be asymmetric with a strength of 2. Keep in mind that this only uses the perspective view, so we should have a preview over here. I'm very curious of the alignment. So as you can see, still that alignment is not that good. If I'm gonna go with symmetric with a strength of 3, I'm just gonna have this reprocessed. At the same time, we see over here, this is with additional references. And I'm just gonna change this to be, again, symmetric. And I'm gonna hit redo. Keep in mind that over here we have multiple references. And from what I have noticed, it will be a lot better for generative AI if I would just add multiple perspective views, something like this. One over here, and maybe one from the lower and one from the top. Because with pure, let's say front, back, left and right, we're gonna see that in this case it will struggle to recreate that. Now we have this ready, and we see that with a symmetrical strength of 3, this will actually be worse. So I'm just gonna go with a strength of 1. I'm gonna hit redo. Considering that this is a single perspective, we see that this is the main problem, that Rodin doesn't actually understand that all of those are patterned, and they are patterned radial around the main core over here. And this is for the multi-image with a symmetric strength of 1. As you can see, this will just add some weird elements over here. So I can go with a strength of 0 in this case. I can either choose 1, 2, or 3. As you can see, that will not really help over here. So we can get better results over here with a single image in this case. With a strength of 1, we should have the preview. Not sure if this is the final output. I'm just gonna hit redo again. Now, as I said previously, I also made some videos regarding these case studies a few months ago, and back then the results were slightly better in this case. But again, if I would use this kind of perspective views where the model will see some additional elements, it will be a lot easier for the tool to generate this. Now let's take a look at this. I just want to do a redo for this with a symmetry of 1, because we see that the model will now be symmetrical over here, straight on the middle. But this will actually have a radial symmetry, not a normal symmetry line over here, straight on the middle. So we should have the mesh now ready over here. As you can see, it will be as following. And this is the other one with symmetric. So as you can see, the current models for Rodin will struggle with the Mecanum wheel. Again, I will try to use those perspective images because we see that this orthographic front, back, left and right will be a struggle for Rodin. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm going to position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.